Let's learn how to turn on or turn off autosave in Visual Studio Code. Go to File, then click here on autosave. Now we can see here that we have turned on autosave. As we type here, it gets automatically saved and shows instantly on the live browser. We can also customize the time frame of the autosave. Click here on this gear icon, go to settings, type here JSON, click on edit in settings.json. We have here files.autosave delay 2000 milliseconds. 2000 milliseconds is equivalent to 2 seconds. Okay, now the autosave will be repeated every after 2000 milliseconds. Let's set this to half second, that is 500 milliseconds. This will automatically get removed if we turn off the autosave. Go to File and turn off the autosave. As we turn on the autosave, it comes back again. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.